At first glance, you may think that this is Thor's hammer, but this is actually even cooler. This is the Thor hammer tool set. So this is a tool set in the shape of Thor's hammer. How cool is that? This is a great gift idea to give to somebody who actually is very handy and they like the Avengers or Thor. But thank you to this brand for sending me this in exchange for an honest review. So you can see it shows you everything that is included inside of it, right? And if we decide to take this off, we'll be able to open it up. So each side has these clasps that you'll use to open it up. You lift this up on each side, and then it opens up. Voila. And it includes a hammer, a screwdriver, a tape measure. So this is the hammer itself. And everything is great quality, which I really love. Here is the tape measure. Here's a screwdriver that you can use. And you have a whole bunch of heads that you can use to kind of put into the things that you have here. But this is a great gift idea, especially for husbands or boyfriends who love Marvel and who are very handy. I really like this. This is super, super cool. This is great quality, just in time for Christmas time. As you can see, this is all the stuff that is included inside of it. Look at that. It came beautifully packaged. And if you just want to kind of close it up, close each side. And that's it. And you could just lift it up like this and carry it around if you want to. But overall, this is an amazing, amazing thing to have. It's super cool, very fun, and I highly recommend it.